Okay, so today we're going to do a Dollar Tree DIY ornament wreath. I got this at the Dollar Tree. We got some different shaped and colored Christmas ornaments in different sizes. We have the little ones here. And so that's all you need, and a handy glue gun. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is set out your ornaments so you know what pattern you want. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so since the house has a lot of red decoration, I'm going to do the inner circle with just the silver. And there's a gap right here, as you can see, but we're going to do a silver bow here. So that's why we left the gap. But the house decorations have a lot of red, so I want to pull more of the silver in the wreath. I didn't like the dead space that was behind the balls. You can kind of see through. So what we decided to do, that's my husband helping me right there. I had all this tulle left over from a different project. I just tied the white tulle around in the back to kind of fill that space. And then of course I decided that it needed a little bit more pizzazz. So we did the red tulle around the edge of the wreath. Now you just take any of your smallest ornaments and you fill any spaces in between, just so you don't have any big gaps. I had to dab each of the knots with a little bit of hot glue to keep the tulle from sliding.